Hi, my name's Nick, and I'm 36, and I got 4 kids, and I'm getting back into dancing with very little experience before this, and had a lot of trouble kind of finding my rhythm and finding my style, and turning this kind of stiff, blocky, awkward dance into something a little more funky and flavorful and soulful. And I saw Mel on um, Instagram and talking to Josh about everything. I kind of like rolled the dice on it, and I'm just more than happy. I mean, I would do this again and again. I wholly believe um, in the two of them, not just as coaches but as people. Like, they have continued to keep up with me afterwards, and I send them footage and they give me feedback. And then even I've not even reached out sometimes, and Josh will send me like, "Hey, I think this tutorial would help you." Um, keep sending me stuff, and it's really a warm, loving community. And then the speed of it and all the stuff that they provide in the modules was like the dance tutorials. The 10-minute follow alongs are my favorite because you get up and you have a limited amount of time, like I often do, and I can, put one of these on, drill it, drill it, drill it, and it's fast. And then if you want to go more in depth with more practice, like the 75-minute follow alongs are great. And all the mindset stuff is like above and beyond, way extra. So I was super pleased with it. I feel like it really increased my confidence, helped me level up my top rock, um, and make me up my up my game a lot when I go out there. I don't feel such a beginner. I feel like I got a lot more flavor, a lot more style, and a ton more in my arsenal.